Hi, I'm Daniel from Good Grow, and today I'm going to be teaching you about cactuses and succulents and how to take care of them. So the number one problem people run into whenever they're doing cactuses and succulents is they overwater them. A good rule of thumb to stick by is once every 3 weeks in the winter you water them, and then once every 2 weeks in the spring and summertime you water them with a little bit of nutrient added. As for light, succulents also love light, and it's also the second biggest rookie mistake. Make sure you get minimum 6 hours of sunlight. Usually in Florida, you can just stick it on a windowsill and you're all set. But if you're in another place, or if your windowsill is not getting enough sunlight, taking them outside is always an option. Just make sure when you take them outside that it stays above 55 degrees and that it doesn't rain and drown your succulents without your knowledge. If you can't fulfill the sunlight requirements immediately, or if you would like to fulfill it in another way, you can always do it indoors. We do ours indoors with a PFS 40-watt Grower's Choice LED light. You can see it here displayed on our rack. It's gorgeous, it does its job, gives the perfect amount of sunlight to our succulents and makes them look beautiful. The last problem that people run into whenever they're dealing with succulents is the potting soil that they pick. You have to make sure that it's airy and that it drains well. We sell a product called Cocoa Perlite, which is a 70-30, 70% coconut coir, 30% perlite mix, which is perfect for succulents and what we use on all our succulents. That will allow for the right level of aeration and the perfect amount of drainage so that whenever you water it, you don't have to worry about that water being trapped in there, flooding the succulent and killing it. Now, a little tidbit just to make sure that you're aware of it. When you get your pots, make sure that they have drainage in the bottom. This is to help prevent that water from sitting in that pot, and even though you follow the right water schedule, it still dies because that water is not leaving that pot like it should. Well, thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.